Привет! Since the last video I have modified the left headlamp to make the charge pipe fit. The charge pipe is going from the turbo kind of over the end, halfway over the engine and over the gearbox and into the intercooler. I have modified this. I had to cut off a little piece of the headlamp. It's touching still a bit, but it's not like a sharp edge, so I think it will be fine. Like the silicone piece of the charge pipe side and the headlamp is touching a bit, but it's like a round edge, so I think it will be fine, at least for now, at least for a while. I've also blocked off the blow-off valve for the intake, also silicone pipe between the air filter and the turbo. There is, on the stock engine, there is a lot of different things, so it's connected, like since the original stock engine does not have, for example, a catch tank. I mean, it's like some of this oil debris goes back into the engine and so on, like I guess on most engines. So I blocked off a couple of these, also the blow-off valve, because it would not fit easily. So now it's gonna go to atmosphere, the blow-off valve. And the charge pipe, I asked nicely if Eric could weld on like some beads on the charge pipe, so the clamp will have something to grip on when making boost, even though I don't think this setup is not gonna make really a lot of boost. It's always a good idea to have something for the clamp to be able to hold on to. I don't have these tools to make like small flange or anything, so a couple of beads of welding on the alloy pipes is better than nothing. Also inside of the car I made like this metal plate in where the center console would be, if I had one. This is going to be, I'm going to have like this panel with buttons on it. Also going to have a couple of, I guess, at least 1 or 2 switches for like turn signal indicator left or right, and I think also maybe for the coupe fan or something. I don't know. I have enough space to have a few switches or buttons or whatever I want, and maybe if I have space I will make a cup holder on top of it. I don't know. So I mounted this gauge instrument. I've used this before. This is like a motorcycle cluster. It is copy. It is as eBay as you can get. It's from China, and it did not have a manual when it came. Well, it had a manual, but it was really shitty, and it was only in Chinese, I guess. I didn't understand a thing. But you can get like indicators, the RPM, and you can have indicators for when you have lights on, or high beam, low beam, and I'm not sure if there is a shift light was working. I think it was not. There's some things on this for like indicator lamp for when you have low fuel, but I never got that one to work. Anyway, I paid like 20 euros in total for this, and it works, so why not? I'm gonna use it until it breaks, or then I can throw it away. It's cheap. So anyway, okay, thank you for watching, and if you want to see pictures of this, I have an Instagram, and until next time, have a good day. Goodbye.